Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Hi, Matt with API. Today we're going to talk about green pools. Typically when you have an issue with green, there's two types. There's the green and clear, which normally means copper. And then there's green and cloudy, which normally means algae. When you have a green cloudy pool, what you do is you use shock, any kind of chlorinated shock, and you use enough of it to kill the green. So the worse green it is, the more chlorine you use. Once that's gone, which typically takes 12 to 24 hours, you turn the pump off and you spray a bottle of Revive over the top of the pool. And again, if the water's really nasty, then you would use 2 bottles of Revive. But either way, you can use 1 or 2 depending on how bad it is. And then over the course of the next 24 to 48 hours, all of that dead algae and everything else that causes issues with your water falls to the floor and you vac it out to waste. And guess what? Your water's crystal clear and your kids and your wife are happy again.
API. Simple products, amazing results.
Thanks for watching.